Hi there, my name is Olivia, and today we will discuss how to manage coaching goals in the client portal in CoachVantage. Setting goals and objectives are an important part of your coaching journey. You have the ability to create your own goals or to update the status and progress of goals that your coach has sent you. To view a coaching goal, go to the one-on-one coaching programs on the left menu. In the In Progress tab, click on the desired program. This will bring you to the program management page. Here, on the left-hand menu of your screen, you will see the sub-menu. Click Goals to view your goals. To create a coaching goal, click the green Create New Goal button. Here is where you will enter the name of the goal, the description of the goal, and the due date. Please note that the name of the goal is mandatory, yet the description and the due date are optional. Here is an example of a goal that I might set for myself in the Managing Chronic Stress Overcome Obstacles program. In this example, I have named my goal, I have set a due date, and now I will select Save. Once a goal is created, it will be automatically displayed in both yours and your coach's program management page on the Active Goals tab here. An email notification will be sent automatically to your coach whenever you create a goal. Now, let's look at how to create milestones. You can optionally add milestones to goals. This allows you to break down a high-level goal into smaller steps or milestones that you need to complete before the high-level goal itself is marked as complete. To create a milestone, select a goal, such as the one we created here, and then click the plus milestone button here. When you do this, a pop-up window will open to add the name and the due date of the milestone. In this example, my first milestone will be to identify one emotional trigger at work. When you're finished creating a milestone, be sure to press Save. And here you will see the milestone has been successfully created. To edit a milestone, simply click the pencil icon here. To delete a milestone, simply click the trash can icon here. To mark a milestone as completed, simply check the checkbox on the left side of the milestone. As milestones get checked off as completed, the milestone completion bar will progress automatically and display the percentage completion of all your milestones within this goal. If you wish to mark a milestone as not completed, you can simply uncheck the checkbox by clicking on it again. This will move the milestone progress bar back to reflect the new percentage completion of all milestones. Your coach will receive an automated email notification each time a new milestone is added. Let's go back to all of your goals here. To edit or delete a goal, simply click the three-dot button menu and select the desired outcome. When you click Edit, you will be able to edit the name, the description, and the due date of a goal. Please remember that when a goal is deleted, it will automatically be removed from the program management page of both you and your coach. In addition, an email notification will be sent automatically to your coach whenever you edit or delete a goal. Now, let's take a look at changing a goal status. When a goal is first created, such as this one, the default status will be not started. You or your coach can easily change the status of a goal to in progress or completed by clicking here, and a drop-down menu will appear. In this example, I will change the status from not started to in progress. Press Proceed. Great, the goal status has now been changed. Automated email notifications will be sent to you and your coach whenever a goal status has been changed. Now, let's take a look at completed goals. When a goal is marked as completed by you or your coach, it will automatically be moved to the Completed tab. In this example, let's say we've completed this goal. You will now see that the goal status has been changed to completed. In addition, when you're looking at this window, you can see your completed goals by clicking on the Completed Goals tab. You also have the ability to edit completed goals by clicking on the three-dot button menu to either edit or delete it. And that's all you need to know about managing goals in the client portal in CoachVantage. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you complete all the goals you set out to achieve. Have an amazing week ahead.